Beautiful queens, come closer. Let's tie this beautiful head wrap together. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this beautiful head wrap style. It is super easy and you will not believe how quick it is. So I take my head wrap fabric, I show 3 layers from front to back. I cross it at the back, I make a gather pleat, I bring it forward, and then that's the hand that is hanging on my right side, and then I repeat the same thing for the one on the left side. On the right side, bring it to the left side, cross it at that point that one ended, but I just want the flare to come up, and then I go to the back, I tuck it in and use my pin to secure it, guys. And that is where snuggy and secure. And then that hand that was hanging out, I just open it up and then pin it down in the middle. Yes, you can do a lot of style with this, especially if you have like a 4 layer. You can form a larger arc with this, but this is just a 3 layers and this is all I have left by the side. So I just make sure I secure that part with a pin, and guys, you have a nice style that you can rock to your next owambe. Remember, it's almost weekend, it's almost Saturday. Saturdays are meant for owambe, so get yourself ready for the next owambe with this beautiful head wrap. So I just take the flare and the butterfly together so that it forms a nice shape, and I just use my pin to secure the way I want it. And here you have it, a very beautiful green head wrap gele. What do you think about this style? Let me know your thoughts about this style in the comment section. And don't forget to give it a rating. Then we go ahead and add our brunch. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share. Love you all.